Hello guys. So today we are at Tiger Kingdom, which is located in Phuket. How are you feeling, Hamza?
Very excited to touch some tigers.
Very excited. Let's check it out how it's gonna be and all. It's gonna be exciting. As Hamza is saying, let's check it out. Come. Guys, जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं, this is Tiger Kingdom. Okay, there are two things over here. One is Tiger Kingdom as well as Tiger Park, which is located on that side of the road. तो आओ जाके देखते हैं अंदर क्या क्या है इधर इनके पास. So we got to know that there's gonna be a lot of queue over here. So now let's go and see what tigers are available. Which tiger do you want to try, Hamza?
The biggest one and the smallest one.
He wants to try the bigger one and the smaller one. Let's see how it goes. We are at the Tiger Kingdom now, and as you can see, इधर आके भले ही कुछ लोग आके Tiger Kingdom में animals के साथ अपना photos कर रहे हैं. As you can see, they're already doing it. Even if you guys don't want to actually do the tiger and cuddle them or something like that, you can actually, what you can do, you can directly come here, sit and relax by watching them as well. I can just show you the sample. As you can see there, here we are sitting, and from here we have the direct tiger view, and also there as well there's a tiger sitting over there. Guys, so now we have done the booking for a medium tiger and a small tiger. So I can show you the rates as well for your reference. As you can see, these are the rates for the Tiger Kingdom. So what we have taken is, we have taken a package of a small and a medium, which gonna cost you per person around 1,720 baht. So for the clips part, we have taken a package as well, which is the photo, this thing actually, the photo plus short clip, 650 baht. So but the waiting thing is quite long over here, as you can see. For small one, there's a waiting period of around 20-30 minutes. Now it's finally the time. We are going actually now to inside the cage to touch and feel how the tiger actually is. Let's check it out. तो अब आके हम फाइनली टाइगर किंगडम को आ चुके हैं अंदर, और देख सकते हैं कि इधर टाइगर्स बहुत सारे हैं. ये आके कौन सा टाइगर है? ये आके जायंट टाइगर है. ये सो रहा है, देखो उठाए, देखो वही है, जायंट टाइगर है वो, सो रहा है वो. आओ देखते हैं दूसरे टाइगर्स का क्या हाल चल रहा है इधर. दिस लॉट ऑफ टाइगर्स ओवर हियर. जो टाइगर मेरे पीछे है, दैट इज अ बिग टाइगर and it is sleeping as of now. I think it नशे में है, क्या है पता नहीं. It's sleeping. Let's see how it feels from inside and all. Now we are going inside the cage. Let's see it. Hamza, are you excited for it?
No.
He's not excited for it. Let's see. So this was a medium-sized tiger. Its skin was quite rough, and the tiger was in its own world, so I was able to touch it freely and enjoy myself. Beautiful tiger. Great experience. Honestly, the experience was mind-blowing, and each touch I did to the tiger, I enjoyed a lot. Afterwards, I took his tail and enjoyed as well. It was a great experience, and would definitely suggest you all to do visit and enjoy this beautiful moment. Next, I went directly onto the baby tiger and started massaging his feet. It was lovely. The baby tiger also felt quite relaxing, and he was enjoying in his own sleep. Must try it. Also, the tiger paws were quite soft and didn't feel like I was actually touching the real tiger. It's quite fun to see the animals and all. As you can see, there's one more baby tiger as well on back of me. This side, that's one more baby tiger. Let's look on what they have more. They have also the white tiger as well as the normal tiger. I'll just show you up the video of that as well. One sec. There, as you can see, that's the white tiger going there. Also, there's a Bengal tiger as well, which is taking bath currently. Now let's look on to the cheetah. They also have cheetah as well. So this is the cage of cheetah. As you can see, the cheetah is lovely and it's quite scary and furious. Hamza is enjoying with it, but also he's scared as well simultaneously. It's great experience. Do try cheetah as well. So now let's move forward and explore more. They also have a giant tiger as well, the largest tiger which you can ever find in Thailand. So now, as you can see, the board itself shows giant tiger. So now we'll show you up. Yeah, there it is. As you can see, it's sleeping over there. That's the giant tiger. Yeah, that's a giant tiger. जैसा कि देख सकते हैं इधर भी एक टाइगर पड़ा हुआ है, सो रहा है टाइगर. उधर भी आके कुछ टाइगर है उधर. That's a giant tiger and it's roaming freely. For the giant tiger you have to pay extra for that. This is one of the tigers over here. This is a giant tiger. It's quite active. Other tigers, I think they are given some sort of injection or something. We are not sure. But that tigers, they don't react. They are quite calm, sleepy and all. That you can do it, touch them and all. But for these tigers and all, I don't think they're going to allow you for touching and all. Because that's a giant tiger. And that's still quite furious. So Hamzo, overall, before ending the video, how was your experience? Could you say?
It's very good. The baby tiger was active, but it wasn't active after. We'll have the most fun ever.
Correct. So do visit and keep following me for more such Thailand videos, guys. See you up soon.